Don't make this sound at him. He doesn't like me right now because I smell like bleach. And he's like, oh, you don't smell like bleach. I like you.
I thought you would smell like their treats. I was just giving them some.
It's like, well, where's my treat?
He eats treats?
You can try him with a treat.
Okay.
He might like it. I can't touch him though because I stink like bleach and he knows it. Let's see if he likes a treat. First attempt at a treat. No, he doesn't look like he's gonna be happy. Oh, he's scared of the treat.
It's okay.
Here's the treat score. Your mom loves those. I swear to you, she does.
I was just giving them some.
Oh, still too little. And the crinkling of the bag. He doesn't like that either. Oh.